Hi, I'm Anna Blessington, principal of Northwest Cabarrus Middle School. With all the information that is out there right now, I thought it might be helpful to put together a short, informative video with beginning of the year information. Let's get started. The agenda for this video is to welcome you, review the parent intent form, including state plans A through C, and discuss your options for the school year, share important information about Chromebook deployment, as well as our virtual open house. First, welcome to our Titan family. Our administrative team is here for you to answer any questions you may have and support you this school year. Again, I'm Anna Blessington, the principal. We also have Ms. Rebecca Stout, our principal intern and 8th grade administrator, Mr. Brad Henson, our assistant principal, 7th grade administrator and bus supervisor, and Ms. Chastity Zabo, our assistant principal, 6th grade administrator and master schedule guru. The state asked all school districts to create 3 plans, Plan A, Plan B, and Plan C. Plan A is all in-person, face-to-face instruction, just like regular school. Plan B is rather unique. It is a mix of remote and face-to-face instruction. Please look at the chart in the very middle of your screen. You will see Monday remote learning, Tuesday A day, Wednesday B day, Thursday C day, and Friday remote learning. That's because the students are split up into thirds. One group is A day, one group is B day, and one group is C day. So your child will only come to school 1 day a week on their assigned days. Please look over at the chart to the right of your screen. This will help a little bit. Let's say your child is assigned A day. They would be remote learning on Monday, come to school face-to-face on Tuesday, and remote learning the rest of the week. On B day, your child will have remote learning Monday and Tuesday, come to school on Wednesday or B day, and then remote learn the rest of the week. And then on track C, they would be remote until Thursday when they'd come face-to-face, and then have remote learning on Friday. So under B, we rotate who comes into the school by thirds, and your child comes 1 day a week. Now, this is State Plan C. This is the all remote learning option. This is what we are supposed to begin the school year with. This is just a sample 6th grade student schedule. The 7th and 8th grade looks exactly the same, except for encore happens at a different time. If you'll notice, over on the left-hand side, students attend all of their classes throughout a typical day schedule. They will start out with advisory homeroom, where attendance will be taken as well as check-ins. Then they will go live with real-time remote learning with their teacher, and then there'll be some time for student work and conferences. I'll let you take a look at that for just a second. What you'll notice is that there is more live, direct real-time interaction taking place this school year, as opposed to what occurred in Q4 last school year. Please also note that on Friday, it is all asynchronous. That means not live real-time. Teachers are using that day for their planning of instruction, and students will be working on their own remotely. The parent intent form had several options. Since we are starting all remote, that is the beginning of the year first option, but when and if we move to Plan B, there's some options that you have as a member of our Northwest Titan family. You can choose to have your child stay all remote, or if you feel comfortable, you can have your child follow the Plan B schedule when that happens and come to school 1 day a week. At each quarter, you can decide if you would like to shift back and forth between that. So if you want your child to come to school 1 day a week, they can. And then if you need them to go all remote, they can. Or if they've been remote and they're ready to come back because you feel comfortable, you can make that change each quarter. If you decide you wanted to stay remote all year, you can do so and still be a Titan. That's all being part of our Northwest family. If you had chose Virtual Academy, please note that that is remote and commitment for a full year. There's no athletics and it's not part of our STEM program. However, it is a great option for students who have pursuits, that are outside school activities requiring 20 or more hours per week, and for students with specific individual health needs. Let's talk about Chromebook deployment. Chromebook deployment will take place on Tuesday, August the 11th for 6th grade from 9 to 12 that morning, Tuesday, August the 11th for 7th grade, 1 to 4 that afternoon, Wednesday, August the 12th for 8th grade, 9 to 12 that morning. Please, we ask you, if at all possible, to come during those times. Remember, we are still supposed to be staggering and distancing ourselves and not be overcrowded with too many people. If, however, it will absolutely not work for you to be able to come at your designated time, you may certainly come on Wednesday evening between 5 and 7 only. Please note you're going to get your Chromebooks, your class schedule. Again, we're starting remote C, but you will go ahead and get your assigned Plan B day. So if at any point we transition into that, you'll already know. Your parent portal letter to access PowerSchool, bus assignment, open house contact sheet, your Plan C bell schedule, technology login help guide, and hopefully we'll get our student agenda by then. If not, it will be still available online. Our open house will be virtual. Please note our open house is on Thursday, August the 13th from 6:30 to 8:30. That recently changed from last year. So please note our virtual open house is Thursday, August the 13th from 6:30 to 8:30. This screen shows the plan for that virtual open house where you will be able to see real-time live the teachers that your child will have. Now, we're going to put all of this separately online, okay? You'll see that there is the link up at the top on this presentation for this video, but all of this information will also be accessible separately outside of this video on our website. But as you can see, there is time for you to meet with all of your child's teachers in an online forum. Finally, I hope there's a little bit of clarity with me going over some of this information. Some of you are probably going to watch this video a couple of more times just to make sure you've got it. But remember, all of us are here for you. Please reach out with any questions and concerns you may have. Titan family, you rock, and we are all in this together.